Mindful Care Telehealth Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Mindful Care and related resources are in the description. Now let's get straight into it. Mindful Care is a telehealth platform focused on mental health services, offering same-day psychiatric evaluations, therapy, and medication management. It provides an accessible and affordable option for individuals seeking mental health support without long wait times. Unlike traditional psychiatric care, which can take weeks or months to schedule, Mindful Care prioritizes rapid access to licensed professionals, making it a great solution for those in need of immediate help. Features: Mindful Care offers virtual consultations for psychiatric evaluations, therapy sessions, and medication management. The platform connects users with board-certified psychiatrists, therapists, and psychiatric nurse practitioners. It specializes in treating conditions such as anxiety, depression, PTSD, ADHD, and bipolar disorder. Sessions are conducted via secure video calls, ensuring privacy and convenience. The service is available through insurance in select states, but out-of-pocket pricing is also offered for those without coverage. Additionally, Mindful Care provides a unique hybrid model, combining telehealth with in-person care at select locations for those who prefer face-to-face visits. Who it's for? Mindful Care is designed for individuals seeking fast access to psychiatric care and therapy, particularly those struggling with mental health conditions that require professional intervention. It's especially beneficial for people who need urgent mental health support, individuals managing long-term conditions, and those who prefer virtual appointments over traditional office visits. However, it is not intended for crisis situations. People experiencing severe mental health emergencies should seek immediate in-person care. Strengths: The biggest advantage of Mindful Care is its same-day availability, which sets it apart from many other mental health services with long wait times. The platform provides comprehensive psychiatric and therapy services, allowing patients to receive evaluations, ongoing care, and medication management in one place. It's also more affordable than many traditional psychiatric practices, especially for those using insurance. The hybrid care model adds flexibility for patients who want both online and in-person options. Weaknesses: The main limitation is that Mindful Care is only available in select states, so not everyone can access the service. While it offers medication management, prescriptions for controlled substances are restricted due to telehealth regulations. Additionally, therapy session availability may vary depending on provider demand, and those without insurance may find the out-of-pocket costs higher than some other virtual therapy platforms. Final verdict: Mindful Care is an excellent choice for individuals looking for fast, professional, psychiatric care and therapy with minimal wait times. It's a great solution for ongoing mental health management and medication support, though it's not a substitute for crisis intervention or emergency psychiatric care. If you're looking for an accessible and effective telehealth mental health service, Mindful Care is worth considering. Check the links in the description for more details.